Hi nail friends, it's Myrna and welcome back to Corky's Wine and Nails. Today we are going to do a really fun nail lick using the new Double Dip Halloween kit. And so I'm showing you here what the powders look like. There's 4 colors that are part of the main line, and then 2 exclusive glitters that are gorgeous. They come in this cute bag. Comes with all the little extras, and then these are little glow-in-the-dark stickers that you can put on your nails as well. And then it comes with the liquids, and the brush cleaner is now part of the liquids pack, so that's awesome. And here I'm showing you the 4 mainline colors, Baby Rosa, Jealousy, Soft Marigold, and Black Like My Heart. And then Monster Mash and Voodoo Boo are these really beautiful glitter dips. Those are exclusive only to this kit. And then just showing you these cute glow-in-the-dark stickers. So I'm going to do a nail lick with these today. Random Helena is the color that I ordered, and it's the most perfect purple with those 2 glitters. So I just threw this little clip in here. I was hoping it might help you with some Halloween inspiration. And then we have these cute little stickers. So I like the ghosts. I do like the spider webs. The stickers, they vary in the packages. And here's the 2 colors I picked. So I'm going to try a French. I'm going to try a Halloween French look today. And I'm going to use the Double Dip tray, which I was excited to get this tray. I've been wanting to use it, and I hadn't had a chance yet. So I just do some peel base. My nails are prepped on my left hand. And I pour some of this black powder into the dip tray. One thing that I, like, in hindsight, really wish I had put more powder into the dip tray. I don't know why I was being so stingy. I didn't know what I was doing. So, it's just kind of like trial and error. But I should have just filled that bad boy up. And so if you do this at home and you have the dip tray, don't be me. Put some powder in there, Don't just put like a little smidge. What was I doing? And then I'm also going to use clear to protect. Here's the 2 swatches that I tried. So the one on the left is the one that I tried kind of the typical French style on. And then the one on the right hand side was one that I got better results. And basically that's what I'm showing you right now is I did a base. I did a couple base coats of this really nice orange color. It's called Soft Marigold. It's really bright, like such a fun Halloween, perfect, orange for Halloween. And so doing this and then doing the black tip got better results. And so it's just really messy with black. And it's not because of this particular brand for the powder. It's just this black is just, hard sometimes to work with. And then it also is just very unforgiving. So I'm just doing basic dipping here. And this is my first time doing a voiceover. If you watch any of my videos, I do generally do talk through videos. I've never done a voiceover actually. So if you like this, let me know. If you hate it and you just like it when I talk to you when I do my nails, it's definitely a little out of my comfort zone to do this voiceover. So I'm just trying something new, trying to learn something new here. And this is just basic dipping here, cleaning around my cuticle. And I really like this. I almost didn't want to do the black tip because I liked the orange. It was really pretty. But just cleaning around the cuticles, and we're going to get to the tips here soon. One thing that I did is I went ahead and I used activator after I did the orange color, Soft Marigold, and then I filed, shaped, and buffed. Probably, I would say like 80% of the way, like I cleaned everything up because I wanted the black tip to go on as smooth as possible. So this is a little extra work to do this because you're kind of like filing, shaping, buffing twice basically, but I wanted to go ahead and take off any of the bulk with the Soft Marigold color and try to make sure that that black tip was going to be I don't know, the best coverage I could get and just maybe kind of do myself a favor. So just filing and buffing, giving you guys a little sneak of that, and really love this color, it's so cute. All right, so here is where I should have had more powder in this tray. I just like to make things difficult for myself. So I did apply a full coat of the base, and you'll see here that I just kind of slide my finger in to the dip tray, and it's a lot easier when you're not trying to show someone how to do this on camera. I will be dead honest. I would be able, I think, to do this a lot easier and probably get better results even if I wasn't kind of like holding my hand away from my body and like trying to stay in shot. So I do realize that this is not the most perfect French look. And, you know, I'm kind of using some challenging colors here. So I was kind of forgiving to myself that I thought I did pretty good considering I'm trying something new, and that it's just, you know, a little bit different when you're trying to show somebody. So I was stirring up the black here, and then it's like, whoa, dawns on me, hey Miranda, make your life easier. Why don't you put some more black powder into this dip tray? You know, do yourself a favor here. And yeah, I wish I had thought of that earlier because I did all those nails the hard way. But you know, you live and you learn. So a little tip is to definitely fill up the tray more. And even more than what I put in here at this point too, I would say. So now I'm doing, my base had dried at that point at the bottom, so that was fine. But if you want, you can go ahead and add clear to the bottom part of the nail if it was still wet. You'll see me do that here. I'll show you very shortly. But yeah, now I'm gonna slide in, and it's so much easier when you've got more product to work with. And then you kind of just like tilt your nail to the side to get the edge. I could have done a little bit better, but you know, I was trying something new, and it is a little tricky when you're trying to do it on camera. And then top down. So hold your fingers straight down because this black is so unforgiving. If it gets into the orange, it's gonna ruin it basically. And then I had black all over my fingertips. If you saw the underneath, oh my gosh. Definitely like doing regular French with like the white and the pink. It's so much easier, but this was fun to try. And then now I'm gonna do a full coat of clear. I kind of just did clear to fill in the space from the black tip, and then had clear over the orange. And then I wanted to do a full coat of clear so that I can buff, file, shape, and not take off any of the black off the tip. And so now I'm just activating again. And, you know, I was kind of thinking to myself like, oh, maybe I wish I had done definitely that ring finger, that side a little bit better. There's definitely some spots that, you know, we're kind of our hardest critics. But yeah, I'm not trying to act like these came out perfect, you guys. They definitely didn't, but hopefully if you see me trying this, then you'll see kind of where I had a few missteps, and you can avoid, you know, learning just some tips and tricks on how to do this, and maybe get some better results. So I might try this in a different style in the future with different colors. But definitely was kind of ballsy of me to go for trying to get a black tip with this orange. And then look, you guys, okay, I did this. There was a spot that I had right there. I had buffed down too much and filed down too much. And I had already shaped and everything. So I just got out this little Sharpie and filled in the spot. And you guys cannot even tell on my nail that I did that. And honestly, I could have gone around all of my edges and made them like super crisp. I was thinking about doing it. It was very tempting, but I wanted to be really honest with you guys about what your results are gonna look like with doing this with the dip tray and the two products next to each other without, you know, cleaning them up with a marker. So I hope that you guys understand that there is a little hack that you could get just like really precise cleanup with a fine point Sharpie. after you do this, but I did leave mine, basically reflecting just the standard outcome, just so I could be fair to show you guys what it would look like. And but I might try that little Sharpie hack another time. That was kind of cool that I figured that out. And maybe you guys have seen that before. I haven't seen anybody do that. And now I put on my dip top, which is my favorite part. And I'm doing my second coat. In between, I had reactivated, or I'd washed my hands and reactivated, and then now I'm doing my 2 top coat layers. And the top coat really, even though there's flaws on this, the double dip top coat is so shiny that it distracts you from any of your little flaws on your nails, I feel like. So I just love their top coat, and you're seeing me put it on here. It's my favorite part, is at the end when you get to make them all super glossy, and they're just so pretty to look at when they're so shiny. And I'm almost done. Just gotta get my thumb down here. You can be a lot more precise with this second layer. The first layer is always kind of quick strokes, and then the second layer you get right next to your cuticle edges and at the tips. So I'm gonna let that dry for like 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash my hands, put some cuticle oil on, and I'll come back and show you the final results. All right, everything's cleaned up. I was pretty proud of myself. I know they're not perfect, but I do think that they're fun, and it was, a good attempt. I think next time I'll be even better at doing this. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Check out the Double Dip kit. And if you need a code, you can use Miranda25 to save 25% off at doubledipstore.com. And I'll leave all that info down in the description.